LTspice is a spice-based open-source analog electronic circuit simulator for both Windows and macOS. It is produced by semiconductor manufacturer Analog Devices. In order to install LTspice in your Windows laptop, go to the LTspice website and press on the download button. Once the exe file is downloaded, run the application and everything will be installed automatically, including the default library files. To get started with LTspice, in this video we shall build a voltage divider circuit in which the output voltage is the fraction of an input voltage. Here is the basic circuit including the voltage source and two resistors R1 and R2, and the formula is given by Vout is equals to Vin into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. For our example, let us consider the input to be 10 volt DC, the resistor R1 as 1 kilo ohm and R2 as 250 ohms. So as per the formula, the output voltage should be 2 volts. Now let us simulate this circuit in LTspice. Open the LTspice, go to the file and select new schematic. Now that a draft file is open, in the toolbar you can find the symbol for resistor. Click on it and then place the resistor in the working area. Now if you wish to rotate the resistor, press Ctrl and R. Now place another resistor in a similar way. Once done, press escape in order to come out of the resistor mode. To rename the resistor, right click on the name R1, and to change the value of the resistor, right click on the symbol. As calculated earlier, enter the value R1 as 1 kilo ohm and R2 as 250 ohms. Let us now include the voltage source, for which you will find an icon with the name component in the toolbar. Click on it and search for the voltage in the pop-up window. Now select it and place it on the worksheet. Once done, change the name as Vin and the value as 10 volt. To connect all these components, select the icon with pencil, which is nothing but drawing of wires. Connect them in series and then also create an extra wire for output Vout. To name the output node, click on the icon of label net, enter the text as Vout and press enter. Also connect the ground to the circuit. Upon pressing run, we are offered with multiple simulation commands. Since our network has only DC voltage and resistors, we can go ahead with DC operating point. Once selected, press OK. The output is presented in the form of text, wherein we can see the output to be 2 volt.